Getting started with the CountR visitor counting system. Implementing a visitor counting system in your business brings numerous advantages, but before you dive into installation, it's essential to clearly define your goals and how you intend to use the data. The first question to ask yourself is, what are you aiming to achieve with the CountR system? For instance, do you want to optimize staffing by ensuring you have the right number of employees at the right time? Or are you more focused on identifying the busiest areas in your store so you can improve your layout? Understanding your objectives will help you get the most value from the system. Additionally, are you interested in measuring the success of your marketing campaigns? One of the greatest advantages of a visitor counting system is that it allows you to track the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. If you're running promotional campaigns, you'll want to know if foot traffic is increasing as a result and whether those new visitors are converting into sales. Another important consideration is understanding the demographics of your visitors. You may want to gather more precise data on which age groups or genders are most engaged with your store. This kind of data will allow you to tailor your offerings and services more effectively. By considering these goals up front, you're already taking the first step toward choosing the best solution for your business. The CountR visitor counting system offers a range of technologies, each designed to meet specific needs. For example, stereo camera-based systems capture 3D data and can distinguish between multiple people entering at once, making them ideal for busy locations like retail stores or shopping malls. On the other hand, IP camera-based systems leverage artificial intelligence to not only count visitors, but also analyze their characteristics, such as age and gender. This makes them particularly useful for businesses that rely heavily on demographic data for targeted marketing. After clearly defining your goals and identifying the features you need, our team at CountR will work closely with you to select the most suitable technology for your business. At this point, you will also get a clearer idea of how these technologies align with your budget, ensuring you get the most cost-effective solution. Once you've chosen the right system, the next step is planning the installation. Our expert team will conduct a thorough assessment of your business's layout and develop a customized installation plan. We offer customized installations that perfectly align with the location and specific needs of your business environment. Whether it's necessary to use recessed installations or mount measuring devices on consoles, we ensure that every element fits seamlessly into the space. Additionally, we can adjust the coloring to match the surroundings, ensuring the system blends in with the existing design and branding. We'll determine the optimal placement for each sensor or camera to ensure that you get the most accurate data possible. For example, we'll carefully consider the positioning of the sensors to avoid blind spots and ensure they capture the most relevant data, whether that's counting visitors entering the store or tracking movement patterns within it. Before the installation process begins, we will pre-configure the equipment according to the agreed-upon plan. This configuration step is crucial because it ensures the system is prepared to function seamlessly once installed. The actual installation process is handled by our skilled technicians, who ensure that the system is set up with precision. After installation, they'll perform a detailed calibration of the system. Once the calibration is complete, we perform a series of tests to make sure that everything is working as it should. This includes verifying that the sensors are accurately counting visitors and that the data is being correctly transmitted to your management system. If we identify any issues during this stage, we'll make adjustments to ensure everything operates smoothly and without interruption. After all the setup and testing are successfully completed, the system is officially handed over to you. As you start using the data, you'll notice trends that can drive more effective decision-making. For example, knowing when your store experiences the highest foot traffic can help you determine the best times to run promotions, or when to allocate more staff. Additionally, understanding the demographics of your visitors, such as age groups or genders that frequent your store, will allow you to tailor your offerings to meet the needs of your key audience. In short, by integrating the CountR visitor counting system, you're not just installing a piece of technology. You're investing in a powerful tool that will give you the insights you need to run a more efficient, profitable business. From installation to the ongoing use of visitor data, CountR provides you with everything you need to take your business performance to the next level.